So, I want to make a shifter, and if you look at this code, this is a Verilog example and this is an incorrect example. This code says that signal A will go to, the value of A will go to B, the value of B will go to C, and the value of C will go to D. Okay. So, it looks like it is a shifter, that is what it looks like, that each value is going to the next register, right. But in reality it is not shifter. In reality the value of A is going to everything into B and C and D. It may not be very apparent to somebody who is not very experienced Verilog designer. Let us look at another example. This actually is a shifter. If you look at it, what we have done is we have just changed the order of the assignments, the signal assignments we have changed. What was in the first line has gone on to the last line, what was in the last line has gone on to the first line, and so on. Okay. So, this will actually work as a shifter, but this is not a very good shifter, because this kind of code is not easy to maintain and port. Okay. If you tomorrow want to make changes, this kind of coding style is not good.